Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a poem that is A Tiger in the Zoo. Today is 5th August 20 and we are going to learn class 10th English book. Class 10th English book First Flight. First Flight and the poem is poem A Tiger in the Zoo. A tiger in the zoo. Okay. Leslie Norris. Leslie Norris. Okay. So here, be careful everybody. Today we are going to discuss class 10th English book First Flight and the poem is A Tiger in the Zoo. This poem is composed by Leslie Norris and in this poem we are going to discuss about the differences between pet animal and wild animal. Okay. Pet animal. Today we will discuss differences between wild animal and pet animal. Okay. Today we are going to discuss differences between pet animal and wild animal. So let's start. This poem contrasts, means here compares a tiger in the zoo with the tiger in the natural habitat. Tiger in the zoo tiger in the natural habitats. Okay, means here we are going to discuss about tiger and your poet Leslie Norris has divided a tiger into which tiger in the zoo, tiger in the natural habitats. Okay, so here this poem contrasts a tiger in the zoo with the tiger in its natural habitat. The poem moves from the zoo to the jungle. Means here this poem moves from zoo to jungle. From zoo to jungle. That is forest. Okay. Here we are going to discuss about a tiger and tiger is divided into two parts, tiger in the zoo, tiger in the natural habitats and here tiger from zoo to jungle. So in this way we can say that this is your poem. He talks in his vivid stripes, means he talks in his vivid stripes. Vivid stripe means level or clear. means here poet says to all the readers that when tiger walks in proud and there are different level of players on the body of the tiger. The few steps of his cage means tiger walks a few steps from his cage on pads of velvet quiet. The legs of tiger is compared with a velvet quiet in his quiet rage when he became angry. He should be lurking in shadow, means always ready to attack someone sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. He should be snarling ground around houses. Okay? So in this way, today we have introduced your poem, that is A Tiger in the Zoo. We have discussed, and tomorrow we will learn summary of this poem. Okay guys, today I have introduced, this is class 10th English book First Flight, and the poem is A Tiger in the Zoo. Tiger is divided tiger in the zoo and tiger in the natural habits. Okay, and this poem starts from zoo to jungle, and this poem is composed by Leslie Norris. Okay guys, so tomorrow we will discuss its central idea. Okay guys, A Tiger in the Zoo, its central idea will be discussed tomorrow. Tiger in the Zoo. Tiger. Okay guys, Tiger in the Zoo, it will be discussed tomorrow. So central idea, of this poem will be discussed tomorrow, but your homework is write central idea or theme, means theme. Write theme of this poem in your own words. Okay guys, and tomorrow we will discuss central idea of this poem.